So, last Sunday, we had the usual family Zoom call, the one where Aunt Karen drones on about her cat's gluten-free diet and Grandpa insists on showing us his new knee brace for the umpteenth time. But this time, my brother Dave, the self-proclaimed tech genius, decided to spice things up. Midway through the call, just as Grandma was about to tell us about her new knitting project, every single background morphed into scenes from our notorious family vacation to the Grand Canyon. Suddenly, there was Uncle Bob, caught mid-sneeze, plastered across all our screens like a Where's Waldo? Puzzle. Chaos ensued as everyone tried to figure out how to change it back, while Grandma kept asking who Waldo was. Finally, after 10 minutes of digital pandemonium and Aunt Karen's cat meowing loudly for attention, Dave confessed, "I guess you could say I made Uncle Bob the background star of our family."